Hey everyone, welcome to Travelogue. Today I am taking you along on my journey from Kolkata to Bengaluru, starting right here at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Let's go through the entire process step by step. Walking into the airport always feels exciting. There's something special about the energy here. People heading to different places, some familiar and some brand new. Now let's get to the first step, heading over to the check-in counter. Today I am picking up my boarding pass manually, which is always a nice part of the experience for me. I chose to collect my boarding pass in person today, even though I could have checked it online. Sometimes the face-to-face experience adds a personal touch to the journey. Standing here in the line, there's plenty of time to observe the buzz around me, travelers, airport staff, and the mix of excitement and anticipation. Did you know this flight from Kolkata to Bengaluru takes just about 2 hours? It's amazing how quickly we can now travel. All done with security. It went smoothly and now I am ready to explore the gate number 25 area. Let's head to the waiting area before we board.